Hey everyone, welcome to Hunters Connect. I'm Paul, and today we're talking tree stands, specifically how to make them quieter. When I was younger, I spent a lot of time hunting from a ladder style tree stand that was set up before hunting season started. As I got older, I started using a climbing stand so I was more mobile and could explore new hunting areas. At times, I struggled to find the right tree that would work for my climber, especially in areas that I hadn't pre-scouted a tree in. So I switched to a lock-on style tree stand with climbing sticks. This new setup gave me a ton of flexibility while hunting, but no matter what style tree stand I hunted out of, at some point metal would hit metal and alert deer to my position. Today's tip is about how to make your tree stand quiet with one simple tool: hockey tape. Start by taping the outside edges of your tree stand. Then move to the posts of your stand and the sticks. Think about how your stand and your sticks fold up and apply tape where you think metal may touch metal. From there, use any leftover tape on your platform where your feet rest for added traction in cold or wet weather. If you wish, you can tape the whole stand in any place that doesn't affect the functionality or safety of the stand. Now your tree stand is quieter and you're ready to slip into the woods unannounced. Thanks for watching Hunters Connect.